The Amada 250A Replacement Black Iron Guide Kit contains 4 precision machine carbide side guides. It replaces Amada part numbers 60, 42, 42, 43, 44, and 54, and is designed for older Amada saws like the 250 series machines running a 1-inch blade. Now this kit is a complete set of 4 side guides. Now the main difference in this kit is you're going to get 4 guides with 2 different variants. So you'll have 2 coolant style guides, 2 flat guides, 2 are going to be pin on and 2 are going to be screw on. So you just need to make a note during the deinstallation where those coolant channels were and where the pin on and the screw on was. That way when you go to reinstall your new black iron guide kit, installation is straightforward and of course seamless. Now this kit does not include a set of backup guides. If you're needing a set of backup guides for your machine, you'll have to of course buy them separately. You can always refer to your owner's manual, or you can contact us if you're needing help finding the correct set of backup guides for your machine. Now carbide side guides are mounted on either side of the blade where the guide arm contacts the bandsaw blade. And of course it's their job to guide and support the blade through the cut. Every black iron carbide guide is CNC machined and silver brazed for unmatched accuracy and quality. And it's that silver brazing process that creates an extra durable bond between our machine guide bodies and our top grade tungsten carbide, providing a reliable and durable product. Black iron guides also feature factory spec coolant channels and chamfered slots, returning your saw back to like new cutting performance. And of course all of our guides go through a surface grinding process to create a nice uniform contact patch against those carbide pads. Now installation of course is straightforward because this kit is a direct replacement. All black iron guide kits are only sold as complete kits. This ensures that the customer has what he needs to increase his blade life and his production. It is also a way that keeps the overall cost of that kit up to about 40% lower than most manufacturers' parts. You know, in some cases you can purchase this entire kit for less than you can a single guide from the manufacturer. When you upgrade to the black iron guide kit, you will lower your repair cost, upgrade your machine with far superior parts, increase blade life, and of course increase those machine production times. So the choice is an easy one. Black iron guide kits make the finest replacement parts in the industry. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching.